Did you know that Holley Off-Road now offers performance packages for your UTV? That's right. We've put together a collection of industry-leading products designed for off-road enthusiasts that want to get the most out of their side-by-side performance. These platform solutions inspire confidence and take the guesswork out, ensuring that every component works together seamlessly for peace of mind and an easy installation. We've put together performance packages for your 2017 to 2025 Can-Am Maverick X3 2 or 4-door, as well as the 2018 to 2021 Polaris RZR Turbo S 2 and 4-door. Holley Off-Road's performance packages are a complete, hassle-free solution for upgrading your UTV that allows you to get everything you need all at once. You'll also enjoy the 10% savings when compared to buying the components individually. And as an added bonus, you'll get free shipping too. Our engineers work together across a variety of brands, including XDR, ADS, and Simpson, to ensure that our off-road packages help you get the most out of your side-by-side's performance. UTV platform solutions from Holley include the following performance upgrades: an ADS direct fit MBR suspension race kit with front and rear large bore 3-inch shock bodies that are electric zinc plated with a clear Cerakote coating. They offer true top-out zones with both mechanical and hydraulic dampening, external reservoirs, chrome-plated steel shock shafts, high-strength spherical bearings, and an Eibach dual spring setup. XDR's off-road performance exhaust, featuring 304S stainless steel construction, TIG welding, and for an easy install, they utilize the factory mounts. Our XDR performance air intake system uses a serviceable high-flow cotton gauze filter and comes with a max flow silicone intake tube for optimal performance. To get the most out of your side-by-side engine, we use XDR's Delta Boost tuner module. It's Bluetooth, and you control it using an app with 4 boost levels to dial in your performance. And we paired it with the XDR off-road blow-off valve, which allows you to adjust the pressure release points. XDR's off-road Magnum Grip dual gate shifter is CNC machined from 304S stainless steel and offers you a choice of either the standard gate or the Hill Killer pattern. The billet aluminum Magnum Grip shift handle is clad in interchangeable diamond patterned polycarbonate side grip plates. The Can-Am setup also includes a matching passenger grab handle. You'll also get Simpson Racing's Pro Sport off-road suspension seats and mounting brackets. And no matter what the terrain brings, Simpson's D3 off-road recreational harnesses will keep you safe and snug. Designed to unlock your side-by-side's full potential, Holley Off-Road's performance packages optimize the individual systems within your UTV. To learn how you can save with our UTV platform solutions, visit us at holley.com.